Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to split screen on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, it is actually pretty easy. So first up, let's go ahead and open up an app. Okay, let's say you're trying to scroll through Facebook right here. Just open it up. Now, what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on this navigation icon like so. Now tap and hold onto it. There you go. Now drag it wherever you want. It could be up the top right here if you're just using a normal phone, or down, or even a pop-up view. Okay. If you're using a tablet, you can go to swipe it right. Okay, and it will be shown the right side. So I'm just gonna release my thumb in here. There you go. Now let's go ahead and select another app. Let's say you're gonna want to open up Google. Okay, tap on Google right here. Now you can go ahead and watch videos right here at the top and search or read whatever you like right here at the bottom. That is how you do split screen on an Android phone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.